Tesla reveals insane Tera factory in Austin, Texas. Exclusive footage. The new business proposal is very thrilling for Tesla on many different levels. Tesla Gigafactory Texas in Austin has some promising potential developments based on the extensive size of the land obtained by the auto manufacturer. Tesla obtained 2,000 acres of property, just 15 minutes away from the midtown of Austin, to construct the brand new project. It's going to be the manufacturing site for Cybertruck, Model Y yachts, Model 3 electric cars, and Tesla Semi, the 4 automobile plans to be available in the market next year for Tesla. Join us as we take you through more information on how Tesla reveals the insane Tera factory in Austin, Texas in this exclusive footage. Before we proceed, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification icon so you won't miss future videos. Okay, now let us continue the show. Can you believe that the company had reconsidered changing the factory's name from Giga Texas to Tera Factory? Well, we just hope this decision turns out to be good and profitable for the organization. The construction of the building started in July 2020, and Tesla's begun to move all the work equipment, advanced machines, high-tech devices into the factory, as well as what seems to be a large figure of robots in February. Hopefully with this, the production could begin soon. The dream of living in an advanced technological world can now be possible because of the new machinery at Giga Texas, which will be the 8,000-ton Giga Press, an extraordinary device that will make the latest underbody castings that will help in simplifying the process of chassis assemblies to create future automobiles. This is a good opportunity for those who are interested in working at Tera Factory, as Elon Musk recently tweeted that Tesla will hire twice as many employees because the organization wants to keep its promise made to the local governments. Currently, the company has 280 open position requirements in the region, and you don't even need a college degree to get hired. The organization is now working with local high schools, colleges, and trade schools. Many states such as Ohio, Montana, Wyoming, Missouri, and others practically competed with each other in their way because they wanted Elon Musk to establish a new project in their state. The competition was extremely high. So much so that in Tulsa, Oklahoma, they built a golden statue of Elon Musk. Now, doesn't that impress us? But in the end, Texas was chosen as it met all the criteria and preferences which Elon Musk had in mind. His benchmark included the absence of matters related to labor and logistics to provide the best employee benefits package. This decision surely seems to work for Musk, as he managed to get $50 million tax reduction from the state authorities, and in return, he promised to create 5,000 jobs in 4 years, with an average salary of $47,147. Musk surely knows how to crack a great deal that benefited him and the people of Texas. Tesla has given its approximate calculation of the construction charges to be at $1 billion. Now that's hard to believe, but we're sure Musk will make this come true. The main manufacturing item which is worth to be noticed is the lithium-ion batteries, which means a new design that simplifies the manufacturing process with fewer parts and a shorter electrical path length. The rumors going around saying that there's an idea to announce Tesla's secret machinery called Roadrunner to produce its battery cells with in-house designing, which will help in expanding the production volume and bring down the cost by $100 per kilowatt hour. In the coming future, the organization also plans to establish a lithium hydroxide chemical plant to assist the production at Tera Factory. Elon Musk also mentions that this will be something greater than just a factory, because it'll have a space for common people, a heaven for those who love nature with streams and walking paths. The main aim of the company is to guarantee that the Tera Factory will be 100% eco-friendly, and some complexes of the factory will be powered by solar energy. Surely Elon Musk knows how to make a profit while keeping his people safe and happy. Would you try your luck at being hired at the Tera Factory? Is there anything we missed about this amazing setup? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any future videos. Till next time.